Do this every day before
What up,
you leave
everybody?
the
I am
house.
Gabriel Joseph. I just want to speak on an idea that can help y'all be more superior in your everyday life, man. And I mean, I know we love to eat. We all some foodies, you know what I'm saying? And the food we eat, it technically is doing us more harm than good with a lot of us, okay? And a lot of stuff we eat, they inject the chicken sandwiches with 150 different ingredients. And it's just a chicken sandwich. Why does it need 150 ingredients? Who knows? But what I want to do is combat all that bad eating with a product right here. Bam! Let's try that again. Bam! You see it? SourSop, y'all. SourSop. I mean, this is like one supplement that has 21 different herbs and roots, and it fights all these different diseases and stuff. It kills asthma, cough, high blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, back pain, fights different disorders, strengthens bones, improves sexual health. It does all this. And so with this product alone, you can really help yourself, okay? Now, you don't take this straight, all right? You have to mix this with something. Unless you're taking the supplemental pill form of this, you have to mix it or you will kill yourself, all right? Don't think because you took 7 shots of Jack that you can take a shot of this, and you can't. So I pour just a tad bit in here, just like that. Just like that. And then I mix it. I mix it in there. Just like that. Mix it. Shake, shake, shake. And then you drink. And then you out the door.